This video tutorial will help to understand the key features of ECINET app and detailed workflow of PRO module. Video will explain all activities need to be carried out by presiding officer through ECINET app. Now we will explain complete details of PRO module. Step by step and activities need to perform, starting from departure to polling station to close of poll. Designed for ease, a simple and intuitive app that ensures poll day activities are completed with minimal effort. Polling party arrival status, mock poll, start poll, polling trends, and close of poll. On one day before of poll and poll day. To use the PRO app, you need an Android or iPhone device. The app requires a minimum of Android version 8 or iOS version 15.6. If you're using a prepaid SIM, please ensure it has an active data and SMS pack. Additionally, the mobile device used for the PRO app must contain the same SIM number that has been registered with the returning officer. First, download and install the ECINET app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store only. Please avoid downloading the app from any other source. Once installed, open the app, tap the top right menu, and select Officer's Login. Next, click on Conduct of Election and then press the Next button. Choose the PRO option, click Next, and enter your registered mobile number on the login screen. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile, and you will be directed to the app's home screen. After logging in, the PRO should verify their details, including polling station information and the elector count of the polling booth. In case of any discrepancy, the PRO must immediately report it to the returning officer before proceeding from the dispatch center to the polling station. From the home screen, the PRO can perform all assigned activities and also track their status. After logging in, the PRO has to perform 5 key activities. One day before the poll, the PRO must update the status of the polling party upon their arrival at the polling station. On the poll day, the PRO is required to update the status of the mock poll, start of poll, polling trends, and close of poll. The presiding officer should update the polling party arrival status upon reaching the polling station. This update must be done one day prior to the poll. From the home screen, the PRO needs to click on the purple tab labeled Poll Party Arrival Status and then select Yes, I have arrived at the polling station. To update the mock poll status, the PRO should click on the yellow Mock Poll tab from the home screen as shown in the picture. On the pop-up screen, the PRO needs to select Yes, mock poll started. After successfully completing the mock poll, the PRO must confirm the number of polling agents present during the process and then confirm the completion of the mock poll through the pop-up screen. After completing the mock poll, the PRO must update the poll start status. From the home screen, the PRO should click on the pink tab labeled Poll Start. On the pop-up screen, the PRO then needs to confirm by selecting Yes, poll started. This is very critical steps and need minute attention of PRO. The PRO must enter data for all 5 slots, starting from 9 a.m. In the first slot at 9 a.m., the PRO is required to enter the number of votes cast on the EVM between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. This entry should be made between 9 a.m. and 9:20 a.m., during which the PRO may edit the data multiple times. Similarly, the PRO must enter data for all 5 slots scheduled at 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. In 11 a.m. slots, PRO will enter the number of votes cast on the EVM between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and so on. After entering the data for all 5 slots, the presiding officer must enter the data for close of poll. The close of poll button will be enabled only after 5:30 p.m. For certain polling stations in Northeast states, and UT, this option may be enabled after 3:30 p.m. The PRO must exercise caution and ensure that the data entered in close of poll matches with Form 17C. Presiding officer may edit the close of poll entries multiple times between 5:30 p.m. and 12 o'clock midnight. No corrections are permitted after 12 o'clock midnight on poll day in close of poll entries. After 12 a.m. midnight, presiding officer may see close of poll data in read-only mode. Please note that this app also functions in offline mode. This means internet connectivity is required only during login to the ECINET app. Once logged in, the app can be used without an internet connection. If the PRO's mobile does not have internet access, the data entered will be transmitted to server via SMS. The PRO can check the status of all activities and data synchronization from the home screen of the app. If all data has been successfully synced and no data is pending to sync, a green icon will appear at the top right, as shown on the screen. If the PRO's mobile does not have internet connectivity, a red icon will be displayed at the top right. If any data is pending synchronization, a light blue icon will appear at the top right. This app is also available in vernacular languages, and you can select the language as per your convenience. The language can be changed from the bottom menu on the home screen, as shown on the display. By default, it is in the English language. Reminder: please carry mobile phone charger on poll day. If possible, please bring power bank for poll day.